The faceplate. This is the magnetic field. I put a rubber magnet here, and I might put some nickel neodymium there on the strips. I thermofluxed it, I covered it with wax, hot wax, as far as the coil. The electromagnetic coil is right here. The iron core is inside here. This is the belt. So it's actually like a transducer that has a iron belt, which is basically around the coil, and it causes the permanent magnet to magnetize the iron core, the iron. And what it does is the electrical induction coil oscillates up and down, back and forth through the system, up and down. So what I have done is similar to the same as a transduction motor. So this will fit inside of this frame. I need two hands to do this, to allow it to fit it back into the socket. I made teeth parts so I could have it oscillate up and down. See that part right there? And that's how I slide it in for the Mark 42 faceplate. But this is Fly Morton's configuration. I did not wait till it fully cure, but I am going to hurry up and complete this because I'm in a time schedule here. And right now I've applied it in between the teeth, so it might not have that much room, but to buzz, it does have enough room to oscillate in a limitation. Now, the belt, the electromagnetic current is right around it, so I'm using electromagnetism against the regular induction, synchronizing the induction. And because it has a diamagnetic core, because remember the induction coil is spun around the diamagnetic, but the belt right here having an iron core, transduction motor, and this radiates the electrical energy to the induction wiring that's localized onto the surfaces, protected by a wax sheet paper and wax, having a diamagnetic core. So the diamagnetic core repulses against the electromagnetic field and tries to move away from the magnetic field. Now, as of the back part of the cover, to cover it, I'm making this where I have to weld it onto the frame to along the side. So I had it duck to turn it over to an angle so I can weld it onto the side of the frame. So that will be the horn housing of this transduction motor. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to get on this and finish it for the faceplate. I left room enough to put my face in for the face shield, of the Iron Man face shield. So turn it over, I'll show you what it looked like this way. And that's what it's going to look like, basically. So my name is Jermaine Morton. Have a nice day. Goodbye.